What?
Let's go check out Ka Makana Ali'i.
Ka Makana Ali'i opened its doors to the public on October 21st, 2016. It is the newest open-air shopping center on Oahu. It's so new that the Google Maps doesn't show the shopping center, but the old terrain that the shopping center was built on.
Wow.
Let's take a look. In this video, it is July 15, 2020. The name Ka Makana Ali'i pays tribute to Prince Jonah Kuhio Kalaniʻanaʻole, who conceived of the Hawaiian Homelands Commission Act allotting hundreds of thousands of acres of government land to native Hawaiians. This permanent homeland is a perpetual gift and legacy that lives on today. The Ka Makana Ali'i logo features tea leaves, a symbol of good luck in Hawaii that signifies prosperity. The encircled tea leaves represent the vision of Ka Makana Ali'i as the center for West Oahu, while the subtle use of hands in making the offering reinforces the meaning of the center's name, the royal gift. Ka Makana Ali'i is located in Kapolei on Oahu. Through the innovative partnership with the Department of Hawaiian Homelands, the center is expected to generate more than $1 billion in revenue over the life of the lease to support the construction of homes for beneficiaries, as well as Native Hawaiian programs statewide. So when you shop at Ka Makana Ali'i, any business you give them, you can feel good about it, that you're supporting the Hawaiian people and its culture. This is the food court. It usually has tables and chairs, but they've all been removed. There's so many selections here on what to eat and desserts to have, but we always love to go to Okome for bentos and sushi and udon.
Hi. Okay. Okay, I go with you. Chopsticks,
Ooh, yeah, there we go.
Ramune, lychee ramune. A different flavor.
Tastes like
It's good.
tastes like a tiny. It's a very weird, not really like a soda. It's more like lychee water.
Yeah.
Crossing with plain udon. Yeah. And Cheryl got what is that? Udon with egg.
Same like
tamago?
you, except I got egg and then I came with the sushi.
Oh wow.
You could choose. I got the vegetable one.
And I got the tempura curry udon. And good. Drink the shiru too a little bit.
Good.
Sushi, yeah? That's a vegetable.
Vegetarian.
Cool.
It's good. Got avocado and cucumber.
Mono or Guacamole or Puerto
Oh.
The udon is good, yeah.
So good.
I reminds me of Japan.
Wow. Come on, let's get something. There's nobody in there.
It is
Oh.
cheese and cheese.
Wow.
Cheese ice cream.
That's crazy. lychee, avocado.
Wow, that's an unusual flavor. Yeah. Like corn and cheese. Oh, no thank you.
You sure? You sure? Okay.
I still have the big bottle.
Yeah, no. Okay. All right. All right. Sorry, what?
There's a whole bunch of other stores, restaurants, and movie theater in the one other side of this shopping center that we didn't show. I'll leave a link down below for a full walk of the Ka Makana Ali'i shopping center, and you can kind of compare and see how it is. But just keep in mind that video is before COVID, so everything's gonna look more lively and everything's open.
Go get it. Go order something. Poi drizzled.
No, they're not here. They're in the parking lot.
Oh.
Remember we saw the parking
We went to Unlce Lani's. They have the store inside Ka Makana Ali'i, but the store's closed. They have drive-through, and I didn't record that. But here is, we've got the box with drizzle. The poi. Is that
Yeah, it's the poi.
Wow, that looks so good. Okay,
Poi Mochi donuts.
let's eat some
Okay.
while we're driving. Oh yeah, ha ha. Ha ha.
I told you.
Ha.
Didn't I just say that on stage? Not bad for $8.
You sound like a henchman from Fortnite.
More.
I'll put it that for the AC so it'll cool out faster. And then it'll pop.
So good. Hot poi mochi balls. So good. Anyways, that's Ka Makana Ali'i. We just came here to check out, see if Bath and Body Works is open. Line's too long, so
Yeah, we were only 10 people in.
10 people at a time, and yeah, and there was a long line, and we still have soaps, anyways, yeah. And we don't have to use Bath and Body Works soap. Anyways, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and click that bell so you can get notifications every time we post a new video. Alright everybody, take care, aloha. Oh.
Patreon page.
Forgot, don't forget to check out our Patreon page, and that link is down below. Take care everybody, aloha. Bye.